This emergency broadcast has been authorized by the S.A.P. Foundation. If you or your loved ones have been experiencing these following symptoms, please isolate them from the rest. The symptoms previously mentioned are nausea, loss of balance, paranoia and increased heart rate. In extreme cases there will be foaming of mouth, extreme dilation of the pupil, and cutting off their ear or gouging of their eyes. Civil Protection Authorities advises that, if you see anyone that looks identical or similar to someone you know, and is trying to frame you for an incident, do not hesitate to shoot them. In addition, if you see four figures outside of your window or you happen to encounter them, you have been authorized to fire at will. If they say anything to you, do not trust them, 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 do not trust